In today's global economy, markets are more international and competitive than ever. Electronic commerce or e-commerce has completely changed the way businesses and consumers buy and sell goods. Thanks to technology, online sales have grown exponentially, allowing direct interactions between buyers and sellers across different locations. Unlike traditional commerce, where transactions happen in physical stores with face-to-face interactions and traditional payment methods, e-commerce simplifies the process through digital means. This simplification has made commercial activities more accessible and immediate. E-commerce began in the Electronic Data Interchange or EDI in the 1960s, became popular by 1979, and expanded with online marketplaces like eBay and Amazon in the 1990s. It's now crucial for small businesses because of its impact on modern life. E-commerce involves networking technologies, databases, email and delivery systems, and digital payment methods that enable electronic buying and selling through devices connected to Wi-Fi. Information technology advancements have revolutionized business communication and information sharing, while providing efficient results and economic benefits.
Traditional marketing, rooted in centuries-old pattern of trade and communication, remains a respective institution amidst the ongoing marketing revolution. It thrives on personal interaction and physical proximity, fostering sense of community and trust between buyer and sellers. In traditional commerce, physical space like markets and shops serve as hub where people engage face-to-face, creating strong communication and local economic development opportunities. However, globalization and digital advancement have brought challenges to traditional businesses. The rise of online purchasing and e-commerce demand adaptation to complete in a virtual landscape. Additionally, shifting consumer tastes and demographics necessitate creativity and adaptability to meet evolving needs. Despite these challenges, traditional marketing endured due to its foundation in timeless values of interpersonal communication and community engagement. The emphasis on personal interaction fostered trust and accountability, which are essential elements in sustaining successful business relationships. Therefore, while traditional marketing may need to evolve, its enduring principles ensure its continued relevance in an ever-changing market environment.
And today we're diving into the implications of running an online store versus a physical one, shedding light on why it's crucial for businesses to adapt and thrive in digital environment. Let's begin with cost efficiencies. Operating online provides a significant advantage in terms of lower overhead costs, empowering businesses to allocate resources strategically, whether it's enhancing product quality, improving customer service, or investing in targeted marketing efforts. The global reach of e-commerce platforms presents an array of opportunities but also challenges. To capitalize on reach, businesses must tailor in marketing strategies to different demographics and cultures, leveraging localization efforts to maximize effectiveness. Scalability is paramount in the digital landscape. Investing in robust technology infrastructure and flexible inventory management system is essential for accommodating future growth without compromising the customer experience. Efficient logistics are the backbone of e-commerce. Businesses should prioritize partnership with reliable shipping carriers and invest in software solutions for seamless order fulfillment and tracking. Security is non-negotiable. Implementing robust cybersecurity measures is imperative for protecting sensitive customer data and maintaining trust in an online environment. Competition in the e-commerce arena is fierce. To stand out, businesses must differentiate themselves through unique value propositions and targeted marketing campaigns. In conclusion, understanding these implications is essential for businesses seeking success in the ever-evolving digital marketplace.
In order to assist understand the subject matter better and to offer some further information and viewpoints on the benefits and drawbacks of e-commerce, here are the pros. Number 1, reduce overhead costs. Running an online store is much cheaper than a physical one. You save on rent, security, and stock costs. Typical expenses include web hosting, inventory, and marketing. Number 2, no need for a physical store. Running a physical store comes with many challenges, like expensive rent, utilities, and security costs. With e-commerce, you avoid these obstacles by selling online without the need for a physical store. Number 3, ability to reach more customers. E-commerce offers a huge advantage, reaching a global audience unlike a physical store. Limited by location, an online store can attract customers worldwide, boosting sales potential significantly. Number 4, scalability. Scalability is a key advantage of e-commerce for our long-term growth. Unlike physical stores that face limitations in expansion due to space constraints and inventory logistics, online stores can grow seamlessly with the business without the need for costly moves to larger premises. Number 5, tracking logistics. In e-commerce, logistics tracking is simpler than in physical retail. Outsourcing fulfillment logistics allows for faster shipping and returns. With electronic records, streamlined sales, tracking, and trend analysis for long-term growth. These detailed explanations highlights how the e-commerce allows to operate much more cost-effectively, access a vastly wider customer base, scale nimbly with growth, and streamline back-end operations like shipping and inventory tracking. Having this comprehensive view of e-commerce core advantages is valuable for any business evaluating an online sales strategy. There may be pros, but there are cons also. For the number 1 con, security threats. Poor website security can allow unauthorized access to sensitive data, and payment processor issues may lead to data breaches, exposing customer payment information. Number 2, competition. It's easy for anyone to create an online store, leading to intense competition. Standing out and driving traffic requires significant effort. Number 3, IT issues. Website crashes or payment processor problems can lead to costly downtime and loss of sales. Fixing IT issues can also be expensive. Number 4, shipping logistics. Every purchase requires shipping, which can be complex and costly to manage efficiently. Number 5, limited customer connection. Online business lack the personal touch and connection with customers that physical stores can provide. These key points are the risks around security and data breaches, intense competition in e-commerce, technical challenges with websites or payments, complexities of shipping logistics, and reduced personal interaction with customers compared to physical retail. Learning to address these issues is an important part of successfully building and operating an e-commerce website.
In summary, the image of e-commerce has transformed into shaping the way businesses operate and the view of consumers see shopping in today's time. E-commerce has a unique effect on many businesses, bringing with it both previously unheard of potential and difficulties. The way that technology and e-commerce work together has changed the way that traditional businesses concepts are implemented. It is critical for organizations to be informed and use cutting-edge tools as they continue to adapt the rapidly changing digital landscape. With this regard, the shift that e-commerce brought to the society has its advantages as well as disadvantages. But focusing on improving the safety of the consumers and promoting ethical online practices can minimize these drawbacks. The steady movement of e-commerce towards enhancement has given our society a more productive way in the future.
In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, the image of e-commerce has undergone a profound transformation. What was once seen as a convenient alternative to traditional shopping has now become a cornerstone of how business operates and how consumers interact with the marketplace. In this dynamic landscape, staying informed and leveraging cutting-edge tools is a paramount. Organizations must adapt to changing times, embracing new technologies and strategies to remain competitive. The fusion of technology and e-commerce has reshaped traditional business concepts, demanding a forward-thinking approach from those who seek a thrive in the digital age. Moreover, in the ever-evolving world of the internet retail, establishing long-lasting relationships with consumers is paramount. Dedication to innovation and a customer-first approach not only ensures a market presence but propels companies toward long-term success, setting them apart in a crowded industry.
E-commerce has revolutionized business and shopping, allowing customers to make purchases conveniently from their homes. To adapt to this transformation, businesses must allocate resources wisely and prioritize secure payment options. Today, e-commerce is not just a trend, but a fundamental shift in how businesses operate and how consumer behavior is evolving. To thrive in this new landscape, businesses must focus on several key strategies. Firstly, they should prioritize user-friendly online platforms, ensuring it is easy to navigate and provides a seamless shopping experience. Second is utilizing data analytics for customer insights is essential for tailoring products and marketing strategies to meet customer needs effectively.
Robust cybersecurity measures are crucial to protect customer data and maintain trust. And exceptional customer service is vital for addressing any issues promptly and ensuring the customer and satisfactions efficiently. Managing the supply chains is essential for the timely delivery and inventory management. Offering diverse payments options accommodates different customers' preference and enhance the convenience. Engaging the customers through social media and emails help to build the relationships and keeps customers informed about promotion and new product. Lastly, the continuous seeking feedback for the improvements is a key to identify area for enhanced and better meeting customer expectations. By implementing these strategies, business can be established and strong e-commerce presence and remain the competitive in today's market.